Alright guys, this is a Mickey Mouse job to retract your brake calipers without VagCom, because apparently the VagCom didn't retract this one for some reason. So we're bypassing VagCom and doing it manually. Ready?
Yep.
You have black one?
Yep.
Let me connect this first, hold on. Yeah. Alright, I'm connecting the red to the battery. Okay, got it. It's ready. You see which way it's going. Oh, the other way.
It's opposite.
The opposite, so we gotta go backwards.
Hold on. Hold on.
Is it going?
Yep.
Awesome. As you can see, it's retracting it.
Just a second.